As you can see, the localized stress near frame 29er is exceeding tolerance.
Yes, the modeling confirms it.
Half section, slow it down. Just a little more, watch the clearance. Perfect, set her down, we are aligned.
Down slowly, slowly, watch the alignment on the port side. That's it, settle it down, secure the block.
Okay, hold the descent, move 3 centimeters to the east. That's the spot, bring it down slowly now.
We're almost ahead of schedule on this batch.
Good, let's keep this pace up.
The alignment here is critical. Make sure the cooling sequence is precise on joint 7. The tolerances are tight.
Pressure holding steady at maximum tolerance, Doctor.
Excellent. Log that as a pass.
Test sequence initiated. Generator is now online. Output power is stable at 500 kilowatts.
Adjusting servo 3, slow rotation. Deviation stabilizing at 0.01. Locked. Alignment confirmed. Connection stable. Verifying voltage regulators now. Looks good. Sequence complete.
Reroute power to the primary defense grid now. We are losing Sector 4. I want diagnostics on that breach immediately.
Weld integrity on section Gamma 12 is confirmed at 99.8%. Proceeding to the next sequence.
Bring her in another 5 meters. Watch the cradle supports. Steady as she goes.
The crew is maintaining peak readiness, Admiral. All systems are fully operational.
Very good, Commander. My compliments to the crew.
Higher, we need it secured at the top platform. Watch the wind up there.
Roger that. Lines are secure forward. Copy, all ahead full, slow bell.
In summary, the data confirms the success of the trials, showing a clear upward trend in system performance and efficiency.